Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are safe, healthy and doing great. Yes, may God bless you with a wonderful day. Welcome back to our channel Bloom German. This is the video series for the beginner or A1 level. Friends, the name of our today's topic is Lektion 24, die Satzbildung im Akkusativ, the sentence formation in accusative case. This is a very important topic, rather the base or a pillar of a German language. I hope you all have gone through my previous lesson, that is lesson number 23. If not, please go through it. I will provide the link in a description box. So let's begin. What we will learn in this video? First, we will see the discussion of four cases in German language. In German language, we have four cases. As you know, that is nominative case, accusative case, dative and genitive case. Here, we will see the detailed definition of all and understand their concept. Second, we will see the articles of accusative case, followed by the sentence formation with a detailed explanation in accusative case. Then, as usual, our practice exercise, that is question answer session, followed by the tips and tricks of the day. Four cases in German language. First one is nominative case. Now let's see the definition of nominative case. The nominative case is the case used for a noun or a pronoun which is the subject of a verb. Now here the subject takes the action. Keep it in mind, subject takes the action. Subject is always nominative in case. For example, Jana schreibt means Jana writes, and or Mark eats, Mark eats. Another one is accusative case. What is the definition of accusative case? The accusative case is used for the direct object in a sentence. For example, ich liebe den Hund. I love the dog. One more example. Jana schreibt den Brief. Jana writes the letter. Move on to the dative case. Definition of dative case. In general, the dative is used to mark the indirect object in a sentence. That means indirect object to or for whom the action is taking place. Okay. Dative case means indirect object, accusative means direct object, and nominative means subject of the verb. There is no action taking place. For example for the dative case, Ich schenkte dem Mann das Buch. I sent the man the book. One more example. Jana schreibt den Brief an ihre Mutter. Jana writes a letter to her mother. Move on to genitive case. Let's see the definition of genitive case. A noun that indicate relationship of one noun to the other noun. A genitive can also serve the purpose of indicating other relations. In short, genitive case means belongingness, possession. Okay. For example, this is a dog which is very dirty. Now let's see the example. Mein weißer Hund hat schmutzige Pfoten. My white dog has dirty paws. Now this is a simple dative case sentence. Now how we will make it genitive case sentence? Die Pfoten meines weißen Hundes sind schmutzig. My white dog paws are dirty. So here the Pfoten minus weißen Hundes is they are dirty. So this is representing a genitive case, belongingness, the dirty paws of my white dog. One more example, the Spiegel meines Autos sind teuer. The mirrors of my car are very costly. What is accusative case? First one is accusative is used after a specific verb and preposition. Keep it in mind. 3 points I will give you here. First is accusative is used after specific verb and a preposition. Second is accusative is used when we have two people or two things. It can be a person or another is a or another one is a thing. It can be anything. Nominative is used when we have one people or one thing. For example, this is a bird and she is singing. Die Vogel singt. Now can you tell me it is a nominative or accusative? Yes, richtig. The Vogel singt means the bird sings. There is no action, nothing is there. Only one subject is there. So that means the Vogel is nominative in case. The bird sings. The Vogel is nominative in case. Move on to another sentence. Die Vogel singt das Lied. Look at here. Die Vogel, the bird sings the song. So, die Vogel is nominative in case, and what the bird is doing? She is singing a song. So, das Lied is accusative in case. In a first sentence, there is only one bird, and in a second sentence there is the Vogel, bird, and the action or a thing that the bird is doing. Now let's see the articles of accusative case. Again, masculine, feminine, neutrum and plural divided into bestimmter article, unbestimmter article and negativer article. For masculine bestimmter, the accusative case is then. Keep it in mind, only the masculine bestimmter will get changed for the accusative case, remaining will be as it is as our nominative case. Bestimmter feminine is the, bestimmter neutrum is das, and bestimmter plural is die. Unbestimmter masculine is einen, unbestimmter feminine is eine, unbestimmter neutrum is ein, unbestimmter plural, there is no unbestimmter plural for the accusative case, same as our nominative case. Negativer article for masculine is keinen, negativer article for feminine is keine, and negativer article for neutrum is kein, and for plural it is keine. So, as you notice, remaining is same as I told you previously, and only masculine bestimmter for accusative case is then. That you have to keep it in mind. Now, let's move on to the sentence formation of accusative case. What is this? This is a tree. Der Baum. Let's make the sentences. Das ist ein Baum. This is a tree. What is this? Ein Baum. So, ein Baum is nominative case. So, sentence is in nominative case. Der Baum ist groß. What is groß? Der Baum. Again, this sentence is also nominative in case. The tree is not doing any action. He is not moving. Ich sehe den Baum. So, who is watching the tree? Ich. So, subject is always nominative in case. So, ich is nominative in case. And to what I am watching? To whom I am watching? To the den Baum. So, den Baum is accusative in case. Let's see one more example. This is a lion. Der Lauer. Das ist ein Lauer. What is this? This is ein Lauer. So, this is a nominative case. There is no action. Der Lauer ist sehr gruselig. The lion is very scary. Who is very scary? Der Lauer. So, again the sentence is nominative in case. Ich sehe den Lauer. Who is watching the lion? I am watching the lion. So ich is nominative in case to whom I am watching, to the lion. So lover is accusative in case, as the article of lover is there, so it get changed into then for the accusative case. One more example. What is this? This is a fish market. Das ist ein Fischmarkt. Der Fischmarkt. Der Fischmarkt. What is this? Ein Fischmarkt. So ein Fischmarkt is nominative in case, that represent das ist ein Fischmarkt is a nominative sentence. Der Fischmarkt ist sehr groß. Der Fischmarkt is sehr groß. What is very groß? What is very big? Der Fischmarkt. So again this sentence is nominative in case. Ich kaufe einen Fisch. Ich kaufe einen Fisch. So I am purchasing a fish. Der Fisch. So einen Fisch. Again accusative. So ich, who is purchasing the fish? I am purchasing the fish. So ich is nominative. Subject is always nominative. So ich is always nominative. But what I am purchasing? I am purchasing einen Fisch. So accusative. The sentence is, action is going on. I is there and fish is there. Two things are there. That means the sentence is in accusative case. I hope you have understood how to form the sentences for the accusative case, or how to recognize which sentence is nominative case and which sentence is accusative case. Now let's do some practice exercise. Let's see our first question. List do dash 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 Bücher. The Bücher. Options are, first one is dash dash, second is einen, third is eine, and fourth one is ein. Was passed here? Yeah, richtig. There should not be anything. You all are correct. Die Bücher. This is a plural and we don't have any article for the plural thing. So, liest du Bücher? Do you read books? Die Bücher is there. So, unbestimmter Plural. There is no article for the unbestimmter Plural. Now, let's move on to our another question. Ich esse dash 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 Salat. Der Salat. Options are den Salat, das Salat, die Salat, oder der Salat. Was passed here? Yes, you all are correct. The correct option is den Salat. Now, why it is here den Salat? Because the article of Salat is masculine, that is der Salat, and bestimmter masculine is den. That's why it is den Salat. Ich esse den Salat. I eat the salad. One more thing I want to mention here. In German language, there is no continuous, present continuous tense is not there. They just have the simple continuous tense. The meaning ich esse den Salat have two meaning. I eat the salad, or I am eating the salad. Both are correct. The same sentence giving us the two meanings. Let's move on to our another example. Ich habe dash 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 Zeit. Die Zeit. Options are kein Zeit, keinen Zeit, oder keine Zeit, oder dash dash dash. Welche option is here richtig? Or was passed here? Correct. Ich habe keine Zeit. Now why here keine Zeit? The Zeit is feminine. The article for the time is feminine is here. And ich habe keine Zeit. That's why I want to make it a accusative case. And for feminine negative article for the Zeit is keine. That's why here it is keine Zeit. I have no time. So I hope you have understood the practice exercise and the how to form the sentences in the accusative case. Now tips of the day. This is the summary what we have learned throughout the video. In short, first we will see the nominative case. Now tell me who is playing the role in a nominative case? Correct. The subject is playing a role in a nominative case. For example, ich esse. And subject takes the action. Subject is doing the action. Only one person or one thing can be there in a nominative case sentences. Now, accusative case, the direct object plays a role and he receives the action from the subject. For example, ich esse den Apfel. I eat the apple. So what is the action? Eating an apple is a action, and who is doing the action? I. So I is a nominative in case, and who receives the action? Apple is receiving the action. So an apple is the accusative case of a sentence. So this complete sentence is accusative in case. Now move on to the dative case. Dative is an indirect object. Description is to or for whom the action is taking place or taken. So indirect dative is the indirect object of a sentence. For example, Jana schrieb den Brief an ihre Mutter. So to whom she is writing? To her mother. So mother, there is an indirect object done by the Jana. Okay, so indirect object is there. That means that sentence is dative in case. Now move on to our another example, that is genitive. Genitive means possessiveness, belongingness. And description, indicate owner of someone or something. So I hope you have understood the today's topic. Herzlichen Dank für das Anschauen meines Video. Do like, share and subscribe. Auf Wiedersehen.